In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete a Roblox game. So there might be multiple reasons why you actually want to delete a game from Roblox. You may have made it and by accident, or there might be a reason why you want to do it, and I'm going to teach you how you do it today. So before I get into the video, I just want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through, pay close attention, also like and subscribe so that you can get more videos like this. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we actually need to do is we need to come out of Roblox here, and we need to go to the Roblox website. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome. You can open up whatever browser you want, but Google Chrome is the best for me. And then you can go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com. So now that you've actually gone to the Roblox website, you need to sign into the account that you want to delete your game from. So now you've signed in, it should look something like this, and you actually want to go up here and click on create. So create is going to take you to the creations dashboard, and you're actually going to be shown all the different games you have here. So I have one here called YouTube Test, and I'm just going to click on it here and just show you that I created it recently and it's a Roblox game, whatever. So what you can actually do is go to these hover over it and go to these three dots up here, and you can actually go down here to, there's some settings here that you can actually fiddle around with. I'll show you them. The first thing you need to do is go to shut down all servers. So click on that. Are you sure you want to shut down all servers for this? Press OK. So boom, the servers have now been shut down for it. And you actually have to do that first. Make sure that it is private before you go into it. Next, what you need to do is go down, press archive, and it should now be archived and gone from your creations. So now if you actually were to go into here or go into Roblox Studio or whatever, you will see that the YouTube test world that I had is now gone, and that it's not going to show up anymore. Now if you actually want to delete it further, you can go into the show archived bit here, and you can go down and delete it. You have to go into the archive section for that, but you can actually go fully delete it there and it will be fully gone. This is just kind of removing it from your site, but the other way is to fully remove it. So that's basically how you go ahead and do it. So if you did find this video useful, be sure and please go down below to like and subscribe, and please comment down below that it did work so that other people who watch this video can get the same help because they'll know that this video works. And now one more thing is that I want to do a Roblox giveaway, so if you're interested in that, please comment down below that you're interested in it, and I will start doing that soon. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.